Shazad, we cannot close this session without understanding the role of mediation in our immediate neighbors' diplomacy. यानी पाकिस्तान की अगर बात की जाए तो चाहे भारत हो, अफ़गानिस्तान हो, ईरान हो, चाइना हो, ऐसा लगता है हम बात ही नहीं करते. तो क्या ये हमारी सफारतखारी का फेलियर है? अभी आपने कहा कि बड़े मंझे हुए ज़बरदस्त तरीन डिप्लोमेट्स हमारे पास मौजूद हैं. Where are we falling short?
I think Pakistan needs to understand what its interests are first. This is where we're failing. I think आप तब तक effective negotiation में नहीं बैठ सकते जब तक आपको अपने interest का नहीं पता.
सही.
Do we want the Iranian sort of gas to come in? Is it in our interest? Trade with India, is it in our interest? Trade with Afghanistan, better diplomatic relations, is it in our interest? You know, so I think it's a real, and of course it's very natural कि जहाँ पे political scenario बहुत तेजी से change होता हो वहाँ पे interests को identify करना मुश्किल हो जाता है. It's very natural. It will take us some time, but the first thing that needs to be done is everybody needs to sit on a table and say these are Pakistan's interests. जब आप अपने interests को identify करेंगे फिर आप negotiation strategy बनाएंगे because your everywhere in the world, by the way, is ये positional bargaining जो है ये ज़्यादा होती जा रही है. You see what's happening around the world. Nobody is willing to give up on their position. Our neighbor towards the east, they're very sort of positional when it comes to this.
शायद मुझे इसलिए लगता है कि ये जो positionality में हम इतने entrenched हो रहे हैं, you very rightly pointed out, is because there's a benefit and there's a dividend of that in internal politics.
Agreed.
जितने लोग इस तरह की entrenched positions में हैं, ये मसाला या ये मंजन या ये narrative unfortunately उनके अपने ballot boxes पे बिकता है.
There's an Indian author, his name is Pankaj Mishra. I would really recommend everybody to read Age of Anger. मुझे भी मेरे जो mentor थे लम्स के उन्होंने बताई थी ये किताब. Pankaj Mishra talks about, which Batman का dialogue है ना, what happens when an immovable force meets, an unstoppable force meets an immovable object. They collide and then, there's a huge explosion.
Yes.
Now, the unstoppable force is the expectations of the youth of this world. I'm not going to say this country. Social media, globalization, interconnectivity, seeing that a better lifestyle is possible, a better system is possible. ये सारी आपकी youth की वो aspirations हैं जो एक unstoppable force की तरह आ रही हैं. Immovable object क्या है? आपकी अपने political processes, आपकी judicial processes, जो उस space पे evolve नहीं कर रहे हैं. जब ये clash करते हैं, तो then you have the rise of right-wing politics. It's like politics which is very, very, जिसको आप कहते हैं individual based. The Modis of India, the Trumps of America. So all of that happens जब ये लोगों में एक expectation होती है और वो उस expectation पे और उसको जो वलवला होता है उसके ऊपर खेल के somebody comes into politics.
बिल्कुल.
Now this is happening all around the world. Pakistan needs to play a very delicate balancing game. Do we fall for this, or do we, as reasonable sort of people, sit on the table with all stakeholders and mediate between internal partners first, identify common interests between everybody, and then sort of build up a strategy for Pakistan. It happens in other parts of the world. Thailand has a political dispute resolution forum. Kenya has a political parties dispute resolution forum. Why? Because उनको पता है कि ये जो अदालत में केस फाइल हुआ है ये एक्चुअली पॉलिटिकल ईगो.
मेरे जहन में पाकिस्तान की एक सियासी जमात आ रही है जिसको शायद बैठना पड़ेगा इस मीडिएशन में और अंडरस्टैंड करना पड़ेगा कि देखें अगर आगे बढ़ना है तो कुछ पॉलिटिकल रियलिटीज़ हैं पाकिस्तान की, उसको लेके चलना पड़ेगा.
You cannot go, you can't get away with anything without talking to others.
Absolutely. But let's take a slightly different lens.